To get started, go to the toolbar and click on the Create Wall button. Next, go to the Home Plan area and click to place a start point. Now, hold down the Control key and click with the left mouse button to the end point of the ball. You can release the Control key and move your mouse to adjust the curve. Just set your desired arc extent and click with the left mouse button. Now, just press Escape to stop drawing. Instead of using the mouse, you can also use a tooltip for more precise wall drawing. Just start drawing a wall, then press Enter. Set the desired wall length, hold down the Control key, and press Enter again. Type the desired arc extent in the tooltip. Press Enter again, and now you can continue drawing or just press Escape.